For this example, please do it by yourself. Okay, so DIY. And then terus pergi kepada checkpoint 2. Okay, so we're given two matrices, which is A and B here. And then the first question is we need to find AT minus with 2B. Again, what is AT? T, it means that it's a transpose of a matrix. We need to interchange the row into column. Okay, so first we need to find AT. What is AT? Let's look here. We have first row 1, 2 is gonna be the first column for A transpose. 3, 4, the first row for A is gonna be the first column for AT. Okay, interchange like that. So AT minus 2B is actually equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 AT minus with 2B. 2B, it means that we need to multiply 2 with B. Darab dulu 2 dengan B. Okay, maybe kita boleh buat kat atas dulu. Kita cari dulu 2B here. Okay, what is 2B? 2 times with B. B is negative 3, 2, 5 and 6. Okay, so kalau kita darab dia, every entry darab dengan 2, we have negative 6, 10, 4 and 12. Okay, so kita akan dapat tadi apa? Negative 6, 10, 4 and 12. So this is our 2B. So kita nak tolak dengan 2B, jadi kita akan letak 2B here. So kita akan tolak dia, the first entry with the first entry. 1 minus 6, so we have 7. 3 minus 10, we have negative 7. 2 minus 4, we have negative 2. 4 minus 12, we have negative 8. So this is the final answer for A. Okay, so let's look at checkpoint 2B. Soalan minta show. So kalau soalan show macam ni, we need to show that the left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, so tu soalan dia ya. Dia tukar pen supaya nampak lagi clear. So on the left hand side we have A plus B dulu, barulah kita transpose. On the right hand side we have A yang sudah ditranspose ditambah dengan B yang sudah ditranspose. Okey, itu beza dia. Tapi kita nak dapatkan final answer mesti dapat sama dia punya nilai. Itu yang kita nak show. Okay, on the left hand side we have A plus B. Maksudnya kena tambah dahulu A. Mana A tadi? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, plus with B, which is negative 3, 2, 5, 6. Okay, plus these two matrices. And then barulah kita transpose dia. Okay, so kita akan tambah dia. 1 plus with negative 2, negative 3, negative 2. 2 plus 5, 7. 3 plus 2 is 5. 4 plus 6 is 10. Okay, so ini yang sudah ditambah, barulah kita transposekan dia. Okay, again, macam mana kita nak transpose? Kita tukar daripada row iaitu negative 2, 7 jadi column. And then row yang kedua 5, 10 akan jadi the second column 5, 10. So this is the answer on the left hand side. Now let's look at right hand side. Okay, so here we have 80. 80 yang kita dah cari tadi. Okay, yang tadi kita dah dapatkan 80. So kita just perlu cari BT di sini ya, untuk kita tambah. Jadi kita salin dulu. 80 is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, plus with BT. B, ini kita punya B. Okay, it means that we have negative 3, 5 as our column, 2, 6 as our second column yang kita sudah transpose. Okay, kita transpose dulu, baru kita tambah on the right hand side. Dan baru kita tambah dia, kita akan dapat negative 2. 3 plus 2, kita akan dapat 5. 2 plus 5, kita akan dapat 7. 4 plus 6, kita akan dapat 10. And then kita compare kiri dan kanan, adakah dia sama? Yes, dia adalah sama. Kita boleh shown. Okay, that's how we solve this question. For B, for this question, please do it yourself. Okay. Let's proceed to checkpoint 3. Number 1, simplify the given quantity for matrix A, B, and C when A, okay, so number 1A, we need to adopt matrix A and B. Okay, so how can we do this? First, write matrix A. Okay, so this is matrix A. Add with matrix B. Okay, so again, kalau kita ada operasi tambah ataupun tolak, kita akan tengok dia punya pasangan dia, entry by entry. Jadi kita akan tengok entry yang pertama tambah dengan entry yang pertama. So kita akan dapat 5. Second entry with second entry, so we have 5. Add up the third entry with the with the third entry juga kat sini. So kita akan dapat negative 2. 4 plus 6, kita akan dapat 10. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, for B, we need to minus A minus B. So write matrix A first. Subtract with matrix B. So this is matrix B. Okay, so entry by entry. 1 tolak 4, we have negative 3. 2 minus 3, we have negative 1. 3 with negative 5, we have negative 2. And 4 minus 6, we have negative 2 also. Okay, so this is the answer. Easy? Okay, for C, please do it by yourself. Okay, let's proceed to number 2. We're given 3 matrices A, B, and C. So we need to find A minus with B plus C in the bracket again. When we have a bracket here, sini kan nampak ada bracket, kita kena selesaikan yang dalam bracket dahulu. Okey, so macam mana kita nak buat? Salin dulu A. Okay, so this is matrix A. Minus with B in the bracket. So we have 6, negative 7, 2, negative 6, 8, negative 3. So this is matrix B. Plus with matrix C. So we have negative 1, 6, 3, negative 2, 4, 2. Okay, close bracket. Okay, so kita akan selesaikan. This one kita salin dulu. So kita tak buat apa lagi dekat dia. Okay, salin dulu matrix A. Okay, minus with. Okay, jadi kita akan selesaikan yang dalam bracket ni. Kita perlu tambah matrix B and matrix C. So, tambah macam tadi. Kita akan ambil first entry with the first entry. 6 plus negative 1 is 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. 8 plus 4 is 12. Negative 7 plus 6 is negative 1. Negative 6 plus negative 2 is negative 8. Negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1. Okay. Then barulah kita tambah dua-dua matrices ni. Okay, tambah, tolak. Okay, 4 minus 5, we have negative 1. 7 minus 5, 2, negative 2, minus 12, negative 14. Negative 3 minus negative 1, we have negative 2. 5 minus negative 8. Okay, so dia akan jadi tambah kan? Okay, so kita akan dapat 13 here. And then 1 minus negative 1, we have 2. Okay. So this is the final answer for 2A. For 2B, please do it by yourself. Okay. Let's proceed to number 3. So we have 2 matrices here that are multiplied with each other. So kita boleh, let's say here is matrix A and here is matrix B. Okay, so kita akan guna method mana? Kalau multiplication, again saya ingatkan lagi sekali, untuk multiplication of matrices, kita akan guna method table ni. Ataupun mungkin ada yang panggil sebagai tika. Okay, matrix A akan berada di bawah, matrix B akan berada di atas. Okay, jadi yang kita dapat di sini adalah final answer. Okay, so how can we do this? Okay, draw your table. We have 1, 2, 3, negative 2, 0, 5 for matrix A. And then for matrix B, 2, negative 3, 2, and 1, 4, 1. And then draw the line. Okay, draw the line. Okay, like that. Padam sikit lah yang tepi tu. Okay, then we need to fill in the table. How can we multiply dekat operasi darab? So, 1 darab dengan 2, we have 2. 2 times with negative 3, we have negative 6. 3 times 2, we have positive 6. Okay. To the second table, 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 1 is 3. Okay. Okay. Negative 2 times 2, we have negative 4. 0 times negative 3 is 0. 5 times 2 is 10. Okay, plus 10. Okay, the last one. 1 times with negative 2. Negative 2 times 1 lah. So, negative 2. 0 times 4 is 0. Tak tulis pun tak apa, tapi kita tulis je. 5 times 1 is 5. Okay, then kita akan solve dia untuk dapatkan final answer. So, 2 minus 6 plus 6, we have 2. 1 plus 8 plus 3, we have 12. Negative 4 plus 10, we have 6. And then, last one, we have negative 2 plus 5. So, this is the final answer. Okay, jadi kita terus kepada number 4. Okay, terus kepada number 4. Given two matrices A and B, show that, okay, again perkataan show that AB is not equal to BA. Okay, so dia ada perkataan not equal di situ. So, kita akan buat one by one. Kita akan buat left hand side dulu and then baru kita buat right hand side. Then last kali kita kena buat conclusion yang dia tak sama kiri dan kanan. Okay, so on the left hand side we have A times with B, and then on the right hand side we have B times with A. Okay, so on the left hand side dulu, draw your table. We have matrix A, negative 1, 2, 3, 4, and matrix B, 2, 3, negative 1, 2. Okay, draw the line. Okay, draw your table. Then we need to fill in the table. Negative 1 times 2, negative 2. 2 times 3 plus 6. Negative 1 is 1. 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, 3 times with 2 is 6 plus with 12. Okay, and then negative 3 plus with 8. And then kita akan tambah dia, selesaikan. We have 4 here, 5, and then 18. Last one is 5. Okay, so this is on our left hand side. Now, let's take a look at right hand side. B times with A. So, put it in our table. B is 2, negative 1, 3, 2. And then we have A. Kita tengok siapa datang dulu. Kalau B datang dulu, B lah yang kena duduk sini. And then baru kita tulis A. A akan duduk di atas lah. Negative 1, 3, 2, 4. Okay, and then draw your line. Okay. So 2 times with negative 1, negative 2. Negative 1 times 3, negative 3. 2 times with 2 is 4. Negative 1 times with times with 4 is negative 4. Okay, so 3 times with negative 1, negative 3 plus 6. And then we have 6 plus 8. Solve this one, and then we have negative 5, 0, 3, and 14. And then kita akan compare left hand side dengan right hand side. Are they the same? No, they are not the same. So kita boleh buat conclusion. AB kalau kita darab takkan sama dengan B yang didarab dengan A. So dia tak sama kiri kanan. So this one is shown.